Hey, I'm Don Wilton and we are here in the Hector's Deli Fitzroy kitchen, and I am about to walk you through how to make a sandwich inspired by Disney Plus's The Bear. It is the famous hot Italian beef sandwich done our way. Two important things to this sandwich. One, acidified vegetables, spicy giardiniera. On the other hand, you've got delicious, super thin, dripping beef in gravy. We want those two to marry and become kind of the most perfect attack on the mouth. All right, first thing we're going to do is make some giardiniera. Giardiniera is a classic Italian condiment. A couple of basic vegetables, cut it to a pretty rough dice, and then pickle it for probably 3 to 5 days. Sorry to any of the head chefs out there who taught me how to dice really finely. This is not it. We want it to be quick and easy to make you want to do it all the time. Yeah, let's go. We got it.
3, 2, 1.
Boom! 3 to 5 days later of pickling, we have beautiful giardiniera. Okay, next we're going to take care of our beef. Slide our knife under and get rid of any of this connective tissue. I've selected topside beef. It's cheap, keeping with the theme of the sandwich, and it's going to be as tender as we need it to be. I hear all those little pops and crackles. That's exactly what we want. When I first saw the sandwich in the show, I sort of got a little bit of an obsession for it, and I just went and followed it down a rabbit hole. And it happens to be kind of one of the absolute OG sandwiches. It's like a backbone of a little bit of their culture. It's a little slice of history. You know, if you go to Philly, you eat a cheesesteak. If you go to New York, you're going to go to Katz's Deli. If you go to Chicago and you don't eat an Italian beef, I don't know, we probably wouldn't travel together. Now this needs to go in an oven, 120 degrees Celsius, 45 minutes, and then we'll have a check. All right, so we got our beef. That's been resting for an hour. That's newspaper thin, maximum flavor, super tender. It's pink, it means it's cooked perfectly. Hot beef Italian sandwich is what I think is the perfect sandwich. Minimal, delicious, easy to make. Got the fattiness from the beef, acidity from the giardiniera, all the jus working its way through the horseradish cream. What you're gonna end with is this incredible, creamy, zingy, fatty, dripping beef goodness. That is a perfect hot beef sandwich. If you can't go to Chicago, come into Hector's Deli. I'll make you one. This one's delicious. My version is delicious. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Look at it.